Hello friends, welcome once again in the class of TYBSc. Here we are learning stereochemistry of addition of HX to alkenes. When HX are added from same side of double bond, it is called as syn addition. Now in this structure, the bonds which are indicated by dotted line indicates the atoms are present behind the plane of the paper, and the bond which are indicated by wedge shaped bond, then atom is present above the plane, and the bond which is indicated by thick line indicates the atoms lie on the plane of the paper. Now when addition of HX takes place on carbon-carbon double bond, then if the addition of hydrogen and halogen takes place from the same side of carbon-carbon double bond, called as syn addition. Similarly, when HX are added from opposite side of double bond, it is called as anti-addition. Now here the addition of HX takes place from opposite side of carbon-carbon double bond, and therefore this addition is called as anti-addition. In this structure, hydrogen is present to the upper side and halogen is present to the lower side. That means the addition takes place from opposite side of carbon-carbon double bond, called as anti-addition reaction. But the addition of HX to alkene is not stereoselectively anti-addition, because attack of nucleophile on planar carbonium ion takes place from both sides. Anti-addition predominates in case of cyclic alkenes. This is cyclic alkene. It contains carbon-carbon double bond, and in such cases addition of halogen halide takes place from opposite side of carbon-carbon double bond. The addition of this HBr takes place on this carbon-carbon double bond from opposite side, like this. Here hydrogen atom of HBr is indicated by wedge shaped bond, means hydrogen is present above the plane of the blackboard, while this bromide is indicated by dotted bond. This clearly indicates that bromine is present behind the plane of the blackboard. Means addition of hydrogen and bromine takes place from opposite side on this carbon-carbon double bond, called as anti-addition reaction. Now the next point of this unit is addition of halogen. The example of addition of halogen is addition of Br2 to alkene. When Br2 is added to alkene, the addition of Br2 takes place from opposite side of carbon-carbon double bond to form anti-addition product. We can take the example cis-2-butene reacts with Br2 to form trans-1,2-dibromobutane. In final product, we can see both bromine atoms are opposite to each other, and therefore in this product anti-addition takes place. One bromine is attached to upper side of carbon atom, while another bromine atom is attached to lower direction of carbon atom, called as anti-addition. Now the mechanism of this reaction. This mechanism has two steps. First step is slow step. In this first step, formation of cyclic bromonium ion takes place. Now what happened in the step first? In the step first, this alkene approaches to bromine, and therefore this bromide Br2 molecule gets polarized. It carries positive charge as well as negative charge. In this step, the pi complex is formed, which is unstable. In this pi complex, there is no actual bond formation between carbon and positive part of Br2. But there is only interactions between pi bond of alkene and positive part of the Br2. Now this pi complex is unstable, so it immediately breaks and converts into carboniamine. Now this carboniamine rearranges to cyclic bromoniamine. Now in this pi complex, this pi bond is donated to this electrophilic bromide, and therefore this carbon atom becomes electron deficient and indicated by positive charge. As we know, this bromine atom carries lone pair of electron, so this lone pair of electron immediately donated to this carbon atom, positive charge will be neutralized and there is new bond formation between carbon atom and bromine atom. But in this new bond formation, electron pair of bromine is lost and therefore bromine becomes electron deficient. It indicated by positive charge. Now in the step second, attack of nucleophile takes place. Now second step is a fast step. In the fast step, the nucleophile Br negative attacks from lower side of the carbon atom and we get the trans 1,2-dibromobutane. In this case, the upper side of cyclic bromonium ion is blocked due to the cyclic ring of bromonium ion, and therefore this bromine nucleophile attacks from the back side of cyclic bromonium ion and therefore we get a trans product. Now there are two ways attack of bromide ion. One way is A, another way is B. When this bromine attacks on the left side carbon atom via A way, then we get this product, and when nucleophilic bromide attacks on the right carbon atom, then B way takes place and we get B product.